Hey everybody, how are you all doing? Mr. Martin's here. Week 7, am I right? Post-long weekend. I hope you guys had a long weekend, and I hope you were able to get outside and keep socially distant from other people and get some fresh air and enjoy the long weekend. Although it seems like every day is a long weekend, doesn't it? Anyway, so we're back again for another week, another lesson. Getting close to June. I'm getting close to the end of what I need to teach you. But for today, we are going on to a new topic. It's a pretty big topic, so fasten your seatbelts, guys. We're going to take a deeper dive looking at methods. So what we're looking at here is a brand new BlueJ project. Or if you're using NetBeans, you're going to have a brand new NetBeans project. And the entire lesson can be done in 2 classes or 2 assignments within a class, I guess, or within a project. So we're going to do one console and we're going to do one p-applet. And I did send you a note. Maybe you've noticed that already, but it's in the Google Drive area under Shared with Me. So this first quick video is just a quick let's get ready to learn video for this week. So I'm in a blank BlueJ screen, I guess, not even a project yet. And I'm going to start by making a new project. And this, of course, is week 7, right? So, I'm going to put in my username, which is a made-up username for me. And then I'll say week 7, all right? And this will be the name of our project for the week. And I just need 2 classes. The first class, we'll just call this like console example, I guess, and OK. All right, and so that's going to be just a console. Now I could have used a template, but I didn't. So now that I've got this made, I guess what I'll do is I'll just quickly erase everything except for the name of the class at the top there, and I'll create my own main method. I could have also used a template, but this works as well. So I'm going to go import hsa.star, and then inside of here, I'm just going to go public static void main string args. All right, now if you are doing this in NetBeans, you're just going to create a new Java main class that does all this for you. All right, and then inside here, I'm just going to go console C equals new console. And I always like to test these things out, guys, ahead of time, just to make sure that everything's connecting properly. And look at that, I've already got a little error. I think I can handle fixing that. So I'll just compile it again, no syntax errors, cool. So I'm just going to run this, make sure my console pops up, and it's all good. I'm calling it before I even see it. There we go. Awesome. All right, so the other class is going to be a p-applet class or program. So for that, guys, we can go to D2L and we can get the template. All right, so I didn't have this part quite ready, but I will get there right now. Now I don't have the template yet copied over to week 7, but I might as well put it there as well, just so you have access to it. So I'm just going to grab it right now from week 6 because I know it's also in week 6. Where are we going here? We've got so many weeks here. There we go, week 6. All right, so there is the p-applet template, so I'm going to use this, and I'm just going to copy all of this in, and I'm going to copy it. Okay, and we'll just call this, I guess, p-applet example. So we have console example, p-applet example. So I'll say new class, p-applet example. Okay, and so I'll just put that in here, and I'll open this up, and I'm going to paste the entire code from D2L, and there it all is. And of course I have to make 2 changes. Up here I have to give it a name, so p-applet example, just to match what I saved it as. Watch the upper lower case. Okay, and then also down here at the very bottom in the main method, got to get rid of these 3 question marks, and the same thing, p-applet example. Okay, and I will compile that just to make sure it works, and so far so good. And we'll just pop this up, make sure that we get a blank p-applet screen as well. There we go, so we're good to go. Meanwhile, back in Google Drive, okay, so I'm in my school board, well, not here, I'm not, somewhere I am, here I am. I'm in my school board Gmail, or my school board Google Drive rather, and shared with me, we have this methods thing here, right? So we're just going to right click and we're going to make a copy of that. Okay, and so it's called copy of methods, closer look. You can just keep it like that if you want to, and I'm just going to show the file location, so it will show me where it is, and then I'm just going to move it into my ICS3U folder, okay, whichever folder that you're using for this, like period 3, 5, whatever your folder is for this class. Okay, so I'll just put it in here, and that way I've got my own copy that I can now work with. And I will open this up, and I am ready to go. Alright, so I'm going to stop there for this first video because it's a pretty big lesson, guys. So we're going to do this over a series of shorter videos in smaller chunks. I thought it was worth just giving you a quick video on how to set everything up. So by now you should be ready to go, and in the next video we will start filling this out and writing some code at the same time. So I'll see you back very shortly.